In some research, we may have asked our participants how satisfied they are with various aspects of their teacher's performance, such as satisfaction with the resources, or satisfaction with teaching, or satisfaction with the administration. However, we wish to create a single satisfaction score. We do this by calculating the mean of the three individual measures. We can do this in SPSS by using the Combine Variables function. We go to the Data View tab. We can see here we have 5 variables. The last 3 variables measure various aspects of the participant's satisfaction. First, select the Transform menu. Then select Compute. Go to the dialog box. In the Target Variable box, we write the name of your new variable. In the Numeric Expression box, we type the calculation that will be used to calculate my new variable. In this case, I wish to add resources to deliver to administration, then divide by 3 to get the mean. Remember to include brackets if necessary. Then click on OK. Your new variable should appear at the end of your columns.